You should be hearing this out of only the left side. You should be hearing this from both sides.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Explodey FPS. My name is Jessica. Have you ever been watching a YouTube video or a movie only to find that the audio is louder on one side and barely audible on the other? It's super frustrating, right? Well, I have got a quick and easy fix for you. Today I will show you how to use the Windows Mono audio settings to balance out the sound and make sure you are hearing everything loud and clear on both sides, whether you're using headphones or speaker. This simple tweak will make a big difference. Let's jump right in and fix that audio issue. So simply you can click on the Windows search icon and search for mono. And once you type mono, you will get the option turn mono audio on or off. Just click on it. Once you are here, you need to simply turn on mono audio. But make sure it's not recommended for gaming because from left or right, you cannot recognize it. It's left sound. Or right. So in that case, you don't need to use mono for gaming purpose, and for movies, you can just use this sound. So it will actually compress the left and right sounds equally in both side of your headphones. So yeah, that's it, guys. You can use the mono setting if you are facing the audio issues while watching the movies or something. So whenever you have done, you can just uncheck this option again. I'll turn it off so you can just play games or whatever you want. I hope you liked this video. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.